Do you know where your food comes from? Do you know how it was grown, who grew it, or how far it traveled to get to your plate? These are all important questions to ask ourselves. For example, the apple you had for lunch may have been grown in New Zealand, then shipped to Canada, even though we grow our own apples in British Columbia. Similarly, much of our food is grown in other countries and can travel a long way during the processing, packaging, and selling of it. All of this transportation contributes to an increase in carbon dioxide emissions, which directly impacts climate change. Depending on where your food was grown, it may have been prepared by people who were not fairly compensated for their work. It is important to consider not just where our food came from, but also who prepared it. Large-scale farms that produce a lot of food for the global market can have poor environmental and worker practices. Although this is slowly starting to change with awareness of the climate crisis, traditional large-scale farming typically uses environmentally harmful pesticides, large amounts of water, contributes to biodiversity loss, decreased soil health, loss of topsoil, and more. But there are new and old innovative methods for growing food locally in more sustainable and regenerative ways. For example, small-scale farming, vertical farming, food forests, controlled environmental farming, rooftop gardens, and community production gardens. What ideas do you have that can support more local, environmentally sustainable food production and fair wages for farm workers?